Hello, everybody. This is Kostas Albanidis, and I'm gonna show you very fast how you can create a nice explainer video about any opportunity using VidNoz. Okay, that's one of my favorite video creators, and it has amazing AI avatars that they're updated daily, and they're so natural that you're gonna love them. Or maybe you're gonna fall in love with them. Okay, let's try. This time we're gonna use Aurora Noble. Okay, I'm gonna use this avatar. You see that I have already told you that you can easily move your avatar anywhere you want. You see, you can put your avatar here, you can put here, over here, anywhere you want, and you can make it bigger, smaller, whatever you want. Over here, I'm gonna just add my script. I have already asked ChatGPT to create a script for me. I'm gonna just drop it here. It's about the AI cash flow program, so I'm gonna just drop it here. I'm gonna change the subtitles to be more. Let's make it to look, you know, to look better. And you see, I enjoy this one. We can even try it if you want. You see, I can just click and see how it's gonna be. Okay, when you want to preview your video, you just click preview here, or you just play it from here.
Are you tired of trying to make money online with no?
You have the voice that you can even change it. You see, you can select from here Alisa, or you can just select somebody else. You can select, let's
VidNoz
say,
AI brings your idea to high quality.
Fiona. You can select Connie.
VidNoz AI brings your idea to high. VidNoz AI brings your idea.
You can use Heidi. See, she sounds nice, Heidi. So I'm gonna select Heidi. So if you select the avatar and you select the voice, you have just to click the preview here or here, and you're gonna see how it's gonna be with the captions. In fact, you can move the captions. You can put them here if you want. You can make them bigger. You can change them, and you see, you can change the color. You can make them like that bigger. You can select the fonts that you want, and you can add even a background. You see here, I have the ability to add a background here, and I can make them not to be. Let's see, I'm gonna make it like that, so that it's gonna be a little bit transparent. And you see, now I got so nice subs and captions. I can put them over there. And if I click here to preview, I'm gonna have to wait a little bit to render the video with a new voice. And you're not gonna have, in fact, the lip sync to your avatar, because that's just a preview for the captions. And the next move is gonna be to change the background. So let's select a background for this video. Okay, I'm uploading the background that it's relevant with this opportunity. I'm gonna upload it over here and add it to the background. You see that I have the same color as background with my captions. They look nice, but I can make it a little bit to be like that, to have just a little bit difference, to be more dark, and it's gonna look great. Okay, I'm gonna have just a fast preview with my subs without having the avatar ready. I'm gonna just play and see how it's gonna sound. And let's hear the lady.
Are you tired of trying to make money online with no results? AI Cash Cow is a new program that helps you earn money using AI. You don't need any experience.
You see, it sounds perfectly. So I believe that you want to see the result even with this lady, and to see how she's gonna talk. You see, I can even move my my subs to the right. Okay, I can put them in the middle over here, but I can put them anywhere I want inside the video. But I believe in the center it's the best position. So let's move on, and I believe I'm ready. I don't need to do anything else. I'm just gonna remind you that you have the option to pause the avatar over here. You have the option to change the pronunciation. You have the option to control the head to be more serious or to be happy or to shake head and anything. You can just add these actions to your script, and it's gonna happen while the lady is talking. Okay, you can even change if you want to have a short or you want to create a reel. You can even create one-to-one post that it's gonna be a video for Instagram, LinkedIn, and Twitter. So let's create this video, and we're gonna upload this one to YouTube. Let me start generating the video right away. Okay, you see that preparing to generate your video, it will detect seconds duration time. Please review and confirm your content before clicking generate now. I just want to generate now. I'm confident about my content, and I'm sure that the lady is gonna be great. Talking and promoting this great opportunity. So let's get started. And we are done. If I move to my creation, I'm gonna check now the video and see what we have created. Let's see now together.
Are you tired of trying to make money online with no results? AI Cash Cow is a new program that helps you earn money using AI. You don't need any experience or technical skills to get started. The system shows you how to help.
I guess you agree that it's amazing. The result is perfect. The lip sync is perfect, and the captions and everything, it's so natural. And the most important thing that you have to remember is the rendering. It took less than 2 minutes to prepare the video. Okay, that's very important to any platform, and I think this one, VidNoz, does the magic. It really saves you time. You know that I test so many apps, and I test so many AI apps that saves you time. This one is, I guess, it's one of the best that it really creates fast video, and it's rendering very fast. You can even create longer videos, and it's gonna do it very fast. So it gives value to your money. You can even try it for free, because there are so many free options to this amazing platform. You're gonna find it visiting the link to my description, and you're gonna be amazed with so many free options that you can test and see for yourself that this platform is really amazing. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I will upload this video to YouTube. So subscribe to my channel and stay tuned. You're gonna see this video, the full video from this opportunity, and you're gonna see more videos from other web apps and amazing tools that you can leverage and save time, because that's the point. The point is to create something that is valuable, that it has quality, and it's fast to use. Okay, not to spend hours and hours editing and creating and testing, and spend so many hours to realize that somebody else did the same thing in just seconds. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you to the next one. Bye bye.